Hello there. We are doing 2022 paper, summer paper, May June, and this is 2-1 variant, and this is second part of data manipulation. That's databases. We are in the step uh, 16. From here onwards, we will do one, that's the report, and second one is the label, right? Okay, so 16. Using fields from both tables produce a tabular report that selects records where here when you get like this a report, you have to jump onto a point, a step where you have all the set of all the list of the field names from both the tables. Okay, so this is the first one we have to uh, start with. Okay, so here I gave number 1 so that you can follow the steps. Now, so shows only the fields title, first name, from which table it is, department. Yeah, they didn't give anything. We have to pick from where we are taking actually. Okay, this it's number 1. This is the first one. Okay, let's pick the fields from both the tables by checking them. Here, save it, close. So what we are doing now, we are creating a query. If you want to do a report, or if you want to do even a label, even a form, sometimes we might get in the paper. So first we have to create a query for it. Okay, so from here, create query wizard, simple query wizard. Now we're going to pick the field names from here. Title is there. Yep. First name, last name, telephone, first name, last name, and there is a telephone. Department, depart date, it is depart port, depart date is here. Yep. And depart port is not here. What else? This is not there. Yacht name, I guess these are all from the other table. Yeah. Okay. Yacht ID is there. Name is there. ID is not there. There is no ID, right? Okay, so let's open other one from here. Yacht name is there. Depart port first of all. See the order you should mind now. Okay, now yacht name next. Please be careful with the order. Length, days, day rate. First, now I have to go for length. Length is here. Next, days. Days is not here. Look at that. Now let's go back. Days is here. Day rate and charter cost. Day rate is here. Nope. Okay, here yacht. Day rate is here. And charter cost back here. Oh, that's a new one. Okay, that's new. Actually, it's a new. Is in this order. This is the one here. Look at this. We are supposed to create this uh, no, field at runtime. Okay, done. So depart port I got right. Yep, yeah, all done. How many? Count them: 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to length, 9, 10. Okay, just let me count all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this one is the 11th one, charter cost. We are gonna calculate that. Okay, good. Now we are done. Next, details the we have to go for next, and name we are just, you can leave it as a query or just like this as well, or if you want to just keep as a query, it's up to you, so that as long as you can recognize which query it is, that's fine. Here, modify, they didn't ask you to just decide any give any name there from the steps, they didn't give us. Okay, this then modify. Yeah, this is the query, and step 1 is only done till now. Now more, let's go for this. That's number 2. We will create one field at runtime. Okay, so it says that contains a new field, charter cost. Okay, just I will copy this, copy name of the field, which is calculated at runtime. This field will calculate the value of the days multiplied by the day rate. Just simple times you have to do. Here, go to the loss. As per the order, it should be at loss. You can just move aside and paste that name you brought. Oh, sorry. There is one extra D. Okay, so you have used a colon there, and you will refer to the names of the fields by putting them in the square brackets. Okay, so the length, days, and day rate. Okay, so here what is the name for days? Just days, it is. Look at this, days. So type in there days, close the square bracket, times is shift 8, or shift 8, and again start the square bracket. Day rate, can you see there, day rate, how's it written? Day underscore rate, and close the square bracket. Yeah, you can just save it. Here I'm saving it. Okay, so now you can run and check how your query is working. This is, we are in the query. Look at that, it's a query, and let me see my new field name. Look at that, charter cost. It's multiplication or times of days into day rate. So $656 times 18. Okay, it goes to 11,000 something. Okay, so it's perfect. Now the query, let's see more. Number 2 is done for us. Step 2 is done of this. Displays the charter cost field as currency with 0 decimal places. Now this we have to work with. Third one we have to go for. This is number 3. Okay, so we're going to set this as a currency and 0 decimal places. To that, what we have to do, go to the design view of it. This is a query, so select it, go to property sheet, and here format is to be the currency and decimal places are 0. Okay, so you can close that, save, and you can run and check here. Charter, where is that? See, before there were 2 decimal places, remember? Now there is no decimal place at all. That's perfect. Now let's go for this one. 41 is the first one here. It says that selects the records where each name includes the text C. Okay, it has to include the text C. Days is 10 or more. So these 2 criteria we have to set. It will reduce a lot the number of records. Now 2 we have to set, so each name should include a C there. Here, save one more time and close this. I'll go to now. I'm working in this only, right? Okay, fine. Come to the design view of the query. Each name, where is the each name? Here. Okay, each name has to include. Okay, so here we have to use like, star, we have to use quote, star, and put C, type in there, then again we have to close it with okay, so it goes like this, save and run. Where is each name? Look at that. Wherever the C is there, the names got C. It reduced it to 72. Can you see that? Just 72 now. If you want to show you one more time what I can do that, just I'll remove this. Okay. See, I will cut it from here and save it again. I'll show you how many records are there with this. Look at that, all of the records are that 980 records, 980 records, and let's see the names there. This all got removed. Can you see that? Wherever C is not there, they were removed, and where the C word is there, that all there. Okay, I'm just putting it back. Okay, so whenever they want you, it has to include the name, so you have to use like. Okay, so to save it and get that. Look at this, only now 72, and it'll reduce further. I have one more criteria. What's that? Days are 10 or more, particularly 10 or more we have to set. Days are here. Here in the same line, criteria line, more, 10 or more. So here what we can do, more than or equal to 10. First, more than or equal to 10. Save and run again. Where are the days? Can you see here? Either 10 or more, you see the days. Days are there. See, it's further reduced to 41. Look at that. From 72, it's now 41 records. Okay, now further. Sorts data into ascending order. Yeah, this from here onwards, it is for the report. This all for the report. Okay, so remember, first 4 or 5 steps you get for the query, and rest for the report. Okay, now let's do the report. Save one more time and close this. Okay, so we're going to start the report. Create report wizard. It's easy to follow it. Better use wizard. Yeah, we are going for the query. Everything we need, pick everything you have to pick from here. Next, just from here, these two, just click yes, yes. Now here is the one we are stuck there, right? Here is the one, first one, this one. Sorts the data into ascending order of each name. Okay, let me set that first. Each name, ascending order, perfect. And the second one, uh, descending of depart date. Here should be descending. Perfect. Now next, has a page orientation of landscape and fits on a single page. These two. Okay, this is done, and now we are here. These two landscape. It is landscape and it fits in a single page. This one, make sure it's ticked. Next, includes only the text sea fleet bookings as a title. So this title will do in the design view of the report. Okay, this all for the design view. Okay, we are done here in this wizard. It's actually the report, right? Okay, and modify the design. Finish. Yeah, this is the report design. Now we have to include a title there on the top. What's the title? This is the title. Copy this page as a title in a larger font size at the top of the page. That's it. Larger font size, it's up to us how large we want to make it. Okay, select and paste there, and we have to put this in the center. That looks better, and we can format it. Going to home, you can just find here as well, anywhere wherever it's the type you like or whatever. It looks better. I feel something color, increase the size of it. Okay. Okay, it's looking better now. Right? Save all the time, every step you have to be careful with. Next, calculates the total number of bookings and places this at the end of the report, formatted as an integer. Now, total number of bookings, it's total. Okay, so that means it is summing of it, sum function we have to use, and total number of bookings. Okay, where is the booking? Can we adjust this first of all, because it's all just, if you see in the layout, look at that, lots of data is not clearly visible, right? So adjust it. Yeah. Just get your data properly first of all. Here, these are field names. So it's a lot of data, so adjust it to show it clearly. Because you're going to print this. Okay, so for that you have to show it clearly how you did the report, and the data should be very clear. Okay, so be patient when you are doing it in the exam as well. Okay, here is the telephone. Here is the, yeah, something here. See, the data is very long here, every line. Just increase it. Every detail should be seen there. Yep, there is no other go. You have to be patient to adjust all of it. All of it. Okay, and what is this days? See, it's going out of the page. When you print it, it'll go out of the page. So here, this is the important one, actually, the one we calculated, right? Charger. See, it still is not fitting. Yeah, last one it is, and this off, it's done. Yeah, so till the last there are so many reports, right? Okay, now what we are supposed to do, we have to calculate, right? There is a calculation. Save it once, and what's that actually, what we are supposed to do? Calculate the total number of bookings. Oh, that's count actually. Okay, counting of all the names, or we can do anything, how many bookings are done based on the names. Okay, for that we have to go back to the design. Okay, now we'll not change this. Yeah, last one it is, and this off, it's done. Yeah, so till the last there are so many reports, right? Okay, now what we are supposed to do, we have to calculate, right? There is a calculation. Save it once, and what's that actually, what we are supposed to do? Calculate the total number of bookings. Oh, that's count actually. Okay, counting of all the names, or we can do anything, how many bookings are done based on the names. Okay, for that we have to go back to the design. Okay, now we'll not change this, so we want it at the bottom, so here just pull it down a bit, and here as well. Now names, I'll go for, just you can put it down as well, this one, and here drag it, put it less,